Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. You can see this is a piece of wood, and I'm going to draw paint a nice scenery here. The clouds in the sky, and you can see the waves of the oceans here. So let's draw the boat in the water. So for that purpose, we're just going to draw a boat here, and you can see the black lines. This is going to define the boat. Okay, and it's on the water, so we must put some reflections on the water here. All right, so putting the boat. And you can see the reflections on the water. A boatman just sitting here. So this round is going to be the head, and you can see the operating stand in his hand. And also another reflections coming from that one, and also putting few black reflections on the waves to make it more lively. All right, okay, so after the boat is done, we're going to put a sun in the horizon, and let's see, the sun is going to be the orange color, and for that we are going to put the orange reflections all over the horizon. Okay, so let's take the color orange, and here going to put a circle, but a little bit, putting reflections from left to right, just to show the dividation points of the skies and the water body. Because of the sun, some orange color also we put on the water as a part of the greater reflections. And when we draw the sun, just try to draw as round as possible. Okay, and these are the symbols of rays all over the canvas. Looks like the sun is just shining brightly. Okay, and if you like to add more, you can put some birds flying in the sky, and in that case we are just taking some purple colors and putting the birds flying in the sky. It looks like we're writing the letter V of English alphabet. that shows the birds is flying in the sky. Alright, so this is it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and see you in our next videos. If you like to see more, you can browse through the playlist and select drawings from our different categories. We have thousands of drawings. See you again. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.